My name is Sean Hoffman. I work for Hoffman Construction, and my title is Chief Estimator. To be an estimator, we're usually provided with plans and specifications. You got to do quantity takeoffs, figure out how much dirt's that got to get moved, how much pipe that goes in, how much silt fence. So you figure out how much does it cost to move this yard of dirt wherever it needs to go on the project. So we internally, based off of our historical cost, we try to figure out what jobs we've done like that. We had a big proposal set together to how we can overall manage the project. And through the interview process and submitting our numbers, we were selected as the contractor of choice. Foxconn is such a big job because it's the start of a $10 billion investment in Wisconsin. This job is located in the village of Mount Pleasant, which is close to Racine. It's in Racine County, just south of Milwaukee by about 20 minutes. In the time frame, the quantities and the overall schedule of the project makes it probably one of our most difficult projects. So it's neat. The building sizes of what we're building here fits like 25 Walmarts in just that one building, and there's multiple buildings on the job. Major obstacles were definitely related to schedule. It's just like rain 3 times as much. So that is the biggest struggle. We're still dealing with that now too, so we're working a little bit more overtime. They actually signed the deal within a year. They wanted to start construction. Because already didn't have much equipment available, so we had to make some major deals really fast and start as fast as we could. Scott Walker was here, came to Hoffman Construction because there was excitement about new jobs coming in a new project, so he was also on site. It's interesting to meet all these new people and being that much focused on a project.